Science shouldn't depend on your school. Namaskar, my name is Adesh Pratap Singh. In India, most of the students don't have access to good quality labs. If you remove the top institutions such as IITs or NITs, most of the students do not have access to good labs, and especially at the foundational level. Schools in India don't have access to good labs. And by labs, I mean good labs such as chemistry, biology, physics. Labs are something which are entirely ignored by the teachers, by the administrations, and by the people. But the point is, these labs get you the actual hands on experience that you need. Most of the students during their lab try to copy from each other's file. And if a one person knows the experiment, the rest of the class follows that person to see, okay, how we can do this experiment. And I feel this is where the problem actually is. Students don't have access to good quality labs. So most of the students don't even approach the teacher or approach the lab in charge to asking, okay, what if I do this? What if I do A instead of B? What if I do C instead of D? What will happen? So today I'm really proud and really happy that we are launching Oblyn Labs. Oblyn Labs is a 2D simulation virtual labs with AI. So our goal is to provide 2D simulation interface to students who can perform experiments during that virtual lab, ask the AI, get guided learning, okay, how you can do it. You can ask, what if I do this? You can ask your doubts, you can solve your queries, you can do whatever you want. And as part of our first product, we are launching chemistry labs. And even when I was at school, I used to wonder, what if I mix sodium metal with any acid? Or what if I do this with this? What if I do this with this? And we can never try that because that's actually dangerous. So at Chem Labs by Oblins, you have the absolute freedom to try whatever you want. You have list of guided practicals. You can perform titration. You can plot the pH curve. You can mix whatever you want. And if you have doubt, you can ask the Numo AI, what went wrong? What is this? You can get the reaction equations, find out the why behind each reaction. We have live reaction telemetry. What it does is as soon as you pour any chemical into the vessel, it changes. It is a dynamic live box which gives you information of what is going on that vessel at that particular moment. You have access to a lot of chemicals, you have access to a lot of regions, and you have access to a lot of equipments such as Bunsen burner, titration, calorimeter. And at the end of your lab, you can generate a highly detailed PDF lab report of what you did in that particular lab. It's all the information of what you performed in that lab, the concentration, and the results that you have got. Now, this is just chemistry labs, and we are also working on physics lab, biology lab, medicine lab, as well as other labs. And the best part, these labs are extremely cheap, and right now they are completely free for you to try. You can visit labs.oblyn.online to access the chemistry lab. We are working continuously to improve your experience, so please do share your thoughts of what you feel about the Oblyn labs. Thank you so much.